As you all are wondering that why I am coloring this balloon, it's because that I'm planning to make an art. If this works, we're success. If this doesn't work, we're ruined. Okay, let's continue. Hello everyone. As you all are wondering that why I am coloring this balloon, it's because that we're planning to make an art. As you see in the space, there's a big earth. When you go to the moon, you'll see a big earth. So if this works, we're success. And if this doesn't work, our video is ruined, sadly. But let's try it. If it works, I'll let you know.
This is an unreleased video of my childhood when I was trying to make an art out of balloon. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish it due to the lack of time, and then it got obsoleted. The reason I'm creating this art is because I'm planning to make a model art. Here is a message to the junior kids. If you start crafting from the childhood, your brain will start to act very actively, as you can start getting ideas to create more stuff and slowly improve to make something bigger. Instead of playing games and using your device all day, you may try using other materials to create something from your creativity. So, do something creative every day.